Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure ShareASale for your products. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, log into your ShareASale account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting the ShareASale website. Once logged in, navigate to the Merchants tab at the top of the dashboard. Click on Add a new program. Fill out the necessary information about your business. Include details such as your company name, website URL, and product categories. Next, set your commission structure. Decide if you want to offer a percentage of sales or a flat rate per sale. Enter the commission amount in the provided fields. Now, upload your product data. You can do this using a CSV file or by adding products manually. To upload a CSV file, ensure it includes all required fields like product name, price, and URL. If you choose to add products manually, click on the Add Product button. Fill in the product details for each item. Include product descriptions, images, and any other relevant information. Once your products are added, configure tracking settings. Choose how you want to track clicks and sales from your affiliates. This is essential for identifying which affiliates drive conversions. Next, set up your promotional materials. Create banners, text links, and other marketing assets for affiliates to use. Make sure these assets align with your brand and are visually appealing. After configuring everything, review your program settings. Check all entered information for accuracy. Once you're satisfied, submit your program for approval. After approval, your program will be live on the ShareASale network. Promote your ShareASale program to potential affiliates. You can do this through social media, email newsletters, or your website. Monitor the performance of your affiliates regularly. Use ShareASale's reporting tools to track sales and commission payouts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.